We are Samarth. We are capable. Samarth is not just an organization, but a journey. A journey of hard work, determination, and teamwork. This journey was started alone by a young technocrat, Satish Awari, in 2002. Satish left his comfortable job at Raymond's to start this entrepreneurship journey called Electrocare. Few trusted friends and colleagues believed in his vision to join him. They started with small repair works for industries. They were assigned repair of equipments that could not be repaired by any other established players. Quality and service is deeply imbibed in the culture of Samarth. This, combined with hard work and timely commitments, could help Samarth gain the customer trust over a period of time. Gradually, products were added to the portfolio, and the first ever dealership received was for Obo Betterment Germany and Autonix South Korea in the year 2005. Since then, there is no looking back. 2008 marked the start of geographical expansion with the start of Aurangabad branch. ABB was also added to the product portfolio in the year 2008 itself. Finally, Electrocare was rechristened as Samarth Electrocare Private Limited in the year 2011. Many other reputed organizations like PNF, Smersal, Finder, Multispan, EAPL were added to the product portfolio. Samarth also expanded the business horizons not just geographically but also added other business divisions like solar renewable energy in 2018. When the world was struggling recession due to COVID-19, Team Samarth was working day in and day out thinking to add value to the esteemed clientele. Latest technology trends were added by including Industry 4.0 as a business portfolio in the year 2021. This was with an intention to provide cost effective technology and help customers save cost by saving the resources. Education and training division were also added as a part of skill development program. After sales services were further strengthened by adding latest test and repair tools and equipments and by increasing the team size. A full-fledged 2000 square feet test and repair laboratory was developed to ensure faster turnaround time and provide better quality of service. Last but not the least, Samarth ventured into manufacturing segment and have set up its own manufacturing capabilities at MIDC Hingna Nagpur. All types of specialized panels will be manufactured here. Samarth is consistently posting year on year growth, and even in the testing times of the pandemic, Samarth posted a 30% growth. With the aim to become 500 million company in the next 2 years, the journey of Samarth continues. The vision is to become the largest and the most trusted automation and renewable energy solution provider of India. Team Samarth will spare no efforts to ensure complete customer satisfaction by partnering with the customers to provide cost effective, timely, and world class solutions and services.